Hello friends, how do you do? I am Rituparna. Welcome to my channel Life Science Network. So friends, without wasting time, let's start the video about a captivating topic that is virus. So friends, जब हम वायरस के नाम सुनते हैं तो हमें डर लगता है, जैसे कि कोरोना वायरस रिसेंटली सारा विश्व को अपना ही कब्जा में रख लिया था। लेकिन सोचने वाला बात तो ये है कि कैसे एक इतनी ही छोटी सी वायरस इतना हमला कर सकता है। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वायरस के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, पहले वायरस की खोज किसने की, कब की और कैसे की, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं। The virus was discovered by Russian botanist D.J. Ivanovsky in the year 1892. He prepared an extract of tobacco plant infected with tobacco mosaic virus, यानी कि TMV. Then the scientist M.W. Beijerinck in 1898 coined the term virus. The Latin name of virus is venom. That means poisonous fluid. Then after many years, in 1935, scientist W. M. Stanley concluded that viruses are made up of protein and nucleic acid. Do you know, viruses are the most primitive acellular and non-cytoplasmic parasitic infectious agent. Not only parasitic, intracellular parasite means they reproduce only within living cells. You know, outside the host body, they can't do anything. Okay, let's look at the characteristics of virus. Virus contain only a single type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. These are transmissible, means they transmit from disease to healthy organisms. All viruses are obligate parasites and they multiply only within the specific living host cell. They have no cell wall, no cell membrane, and no protoplast. They lack enzymes for ATP synthesis. And you know, a virus cannot cause infection, but a fully assembled infectious virus, यानी कि virion, cause the infection. It is a type of infectious agent smaller than virus. It was first discovered by Theodor Otto Diener in 1971. He discovered the first viroids PSTV, यानी कि potato spindle tuber virus. It causes infectious disease in most of the plants and in some animal species. These viroids are the small RNA molecule having 300 to 400 nucleotide long, lacking AUG codon, that is start codon for protein synthesis. These are not surrounded by protein capsid and exist as naked RNA molecule which are integrated into the host cell. Now come to the structure of virus. You know friends, viruses are very small than bacteria. The viruses are the microorganisms ranging from 30 to 300 nanometer, यानी कि 3000 Armstrong in size. It is made up of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, and it is capsulated in a protein coat, that is capsid. So the capsid and genetic material collectively called as nucleocapsid. The protein coat capsid consists of numerous capsomer, which are the structural unit of the capsid protein. It arranged in a symmetrical manner and give a specific shape to the particular virus. And the viruses having an additional covering of lipids or lipoproteins are called enveloped virus. For example, influenza virus, mumps virus, etc. And the second type of virus is naked virus. They have no any additional covering. For example, TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus. So friends, the actual infectious agent that causes infection is viroids, not virus. Okay? So ये थी complete detail on virus. फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे और एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक को लेकर. सो फ्रेंड्स, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक यू.